ఎక్సెల్ టెలికాం ఎనర్జీ లిమిటెడ్ పవర్ జనరేషన్ రంగంలో అడుగుపెట్టింది. 1000 కోట్ల రూపాయలతో స్పెయిన్లో సోలార్ పవర్ ప్లాంట్స్ ను ఏర్పాటు చేయనుంది. సప్తస్వ సోలార్ అనే అనుబంధ సంస్థ ద్వారా స్పెయిన్లో సోలార్ ఫార్మ్ ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నట్లు ఎక్సెల్ టెలికాం మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ దినేష్ కుమార్ బిజినెస్ కు వివరించారు.
In the press conference itself, we were mentioning that our major thrust is going to be in the area of power. Initially, at that point, when we had the press conference, we had about 12 megawatts of solar power orders on hand, and we were at that point trying to negotiate for larger orders, which we now got. We've got a fairly large order of 16 megawatts on hand, which we are now going to execute. So our business profile as such is going to look more towards energy as we are going to move ahead. Our order book position today is about 280 crores, but we hope that in the next month or two, we will add at least another 250 to 300 crores to this order book, all to be executed by June 2008. And then moving ahead, our plans are to go up the value chain, because right now we are supplying only the panels, which is about half the price of a solar project, a solar farm. And our intention is that once we start supplying successfully the panels, we should go up the value chain. So now we are, which we made an announcement today, we are planning to set up our own solar power generating farms in Spain and in other places in Europe. So in this way, we will not only go up the value chain, we will have better profits and our better demand for our own products which we manufacture. So the power business would be done entirely in the subsidiary, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Excel. So any raising either through private equity, if it is, would be done in the subsidiary, or it would be in the form of a term loan, or internal accruals from Excel would be used to fund that subsidiary.
Subsidiary is separately listed?
Yes. No, we are not yet listed. It's a separate subsidiary. Saptashva Solar. No, we have already created it. It's called Saptashva Solar Limited. And that subsidiary, which is 100% owned subsidiary of Excel right now, our projected quota of the business, but it's not growing exponentially as the energy business is growing right now, because we are always having to rely on our principles for the products and technology, whereas in energy, all the product, the technology, everything is our own. So growth is much faster and more exponential as compared to telecom. This year we have given a guidance of about 650 crores. I am sure we will be surpassing this as far as our top line is concerned. And the net we have projected at around 32-35 crores, which also we are projecting to surpass primarily on account of the heavy turnover which is going to come from the energy sector, where the EBITDA margins are much higher than the telecom.